Okay, so I think we're recording now. Me and Laura are going to give you a little introduction on how our new publishing schedule online is going to work, and it's all operating through the Google Docs system, or Google Drive. Some of you might have it called Google Drive since it's updating, but for now on this computer it's called Google Documents. And right now I'm in the home screen, so it shows you kind of everything. And what we're going to walk you through is how to submit a story and the different stages it can go through. So I guess just a little, just to show you around. On your home screen, you'll have, pointing's not going to work. So you have your home screen, and then on here, since I'm under the Ithacan main media account, and it'll be shared with you through Ithacan Media. It will be under collections shared with me, and we'll share all of these folders with you. And then copy editors will have certain access just to copy editing, so we'll talk about that at another stage. So right now we just have the different levels of folders, and we're going to submit a story. I've pulled a story from the website this summer, person arrested after bomb threat, so I'm just going to copy all of this and make a new document here and create document. So when you, at this stage, the section editor and the writer have gone through and they're done with it, they're happy with it. So you're going to want to copy your headline, and this is, you should keep in mind that this headline is formatted for online, so you might need to play with that more once you're putting it on the web. So here in the Google Doc you can put in your photo. That doesn't necessarily need to be in there for the copy editing stage. It should be if you can, but it should definitely be in there by the managing editor stage. So I'm just going to throw this photo in here right now. And photo editors, if they want to put the caption in themselves, they can just put that in under here. So I'm just going to copy this caption and put that in here. Copy that. And I'll just make this a little smaller for now, so that it's clear that it's a caption. So here's your stuff here. You should have actually probably put your byline here, and then in the copy editing stage, copy editors are going to want to put copy edited by your name, and each section and stage will have a different color. So copy editors are orange, and you're going to see their edits in orange. Well, you won't see that, but so say you're submitting it here. That's all set. You're good with it. Your writer's good with it. So this is already, everything automatically saves. So you're going to want to take this and then drag it into the copy editing stage. And then, are we going to do copies of this one? Or just drag it in? We can just drag it in. And each week will be in there. So make sure you go under here. It should be here. It'll tell you when it's modified. If you want to alert the, say like the copy editor, a specific person or a copy editor, what you can do is, see if I can, you right click and go to share, and then email collaborators. And it's going to pop up with this. So these are all the people who have editing powers, like superpowers, who can edit on here. You're not going to want to email everyone. So if, say, we don't have Matthew Desi on here right now, but you don't want to let Michael know when you've sent something to copy editing. And Laura doesn't really need to know, and I really don't really care. So you can just have your copy editor person know here, and it's going to send them, so subject, you can just do it that and say ready to be copy edited, and then it'll send it to their email account. So definitely do this after you put it in there, just to alert people, and when there's something new it'll show you that it's been modified by whoever. So that's how that's gonna go, and then when the copy editors have gone through, made their little edits, so if they decide that they don't like something, they're gonna change it and highlight it in orange just so that record is there, and that's fine. So just general things, if you want to make a comment on something, just highlight it, right click, comment on here and you comment, and then it's going to be there for the next level to see, whoever to see. It'll show your name. And then if you want to resolve it, you can reply to it, resolve it, change it, whatever. So that'll stay like that. So now, hypothetically, this has been copy edited. Copy editors will have access only to this folder, but everybody, all the section editors, will have access to everything. So right now I'm just going to move this out of this one to Lara's folder. And yours won't have the colors on it, but I would suggest color coding all of your folders. It'll be easier. So at this stage, Lara can just edit it, put it through, so it basically just goes through the levels like it would if you were printing out the page. So now I have it, and then if I wanted to put it in proof, I'm going to make a copy of it. You guys don't have to worry about that, but I'll have a copy of all the changes that have been made, and the proofreader will only get a clean copy, and then Michael gets that, and then by the time it's whatever, ready to publish. We have some other folders here too. We've decided to make a folder called Purgatory for situations when, say, I have like serious issues with your story and we need to get the writer back in and getting information. So what I'm going to do, I lost the title, the thing. That wasn't it. I don't know what happened to it. Anyway, okay. So I'm going to take this and throw it into Purgatory in your section. And so say news, your article sucked. I'm going to put it back in here. I really don't know what happened to this story. But say it was really like an issue. I'm going to put this in here so that we're not disrupting the whole like formal schedule. It's going to be in here. And then I'm going to, alert you, say like, email you, be like, fix this now, this needs to be changed. And I can highlight all those things here, like change, and we can talk in person because that's always more effective. So I'm going to just email you, and you're going to get that notification. And then when it's back in running order, you can just throw it back into my folder, or I can put it back in there. Have one more look at it, throw it in proof with everything done, and then eventually it will be in the publish folder and the section editor can publish it. And so whenever anything goes into your publishing folder, I can just send you a quick email, be like, hey, throw this online, blah blah blah, and then you can play with the headline if it's not working, etc., etc. So yeah, that's about it. We have other folders here too that everyone will have access to. Such as, well, Purgatory I just explained. We're going to have all of our budgets right here, each section, and I'm going to put a template for your budgets. We'll be talking more about budgets, but we'll have our daily budgets as well as our weekly ones now together that we discuss. So under general, there'll just be this video, how to use the doc system, and like some other tips and things, and then your budget templates. But these are your folders, so you can put whatever you want in here. So say you wanted your staff to have access to information, like key sources, things like that. You can just throw that in here and share this folder with whoever you like. And that's about it. We can go over more questions as they come.